Good day children, Saira. Welcome to the class of English New Voices. In our previous class we had concluded lesson number 8, the donut. In today's class we will be discussing a few head questions like give past tense of, give antonyms of, who said the following to whom, and a question which is there in your textbook. So children, let us start. The first question head is give past tense of. The first one is say. Past tense of say is said. S-A-I-D, said. S-A-I-D, said. The next one, pretend. Past tense of pretend is pretended. P-R-E-T-E-N-D-E-D, pretended. P-R-E-T-E-N-D-E-D, pretended. The next one, scrape. Past tense of scrape is scraped. S-C-R-A-P-E-D, scraped. S-C-R-A-P-E-D, scraped. The next one, sweep. Past tense of sweep is swept. S-W-E-P-T, swept. S-W-E-P-T, swept. The next one, manage. Past tense of manage is managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D, managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D, managed. The next one, get. Past tense of get is got. G-O-T, got. G-O-T, got. Speak. Past tense of speak is spoke. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. The next one, mold. Past tense of mold is molded. M-O-U-L-D-E-D, molded. M-O-U-L-D-E-D, molded. Next one, past tense of cool is cooled. C-O-O-L-E-D, cooled. C-O-O-L-E-D, cooled. Pop. Past tense of pop is popped. P-O-P-P-E-D, popped. P-O-P-P-E-D, popped. I repeat, the past tense of get is got. Past tense of speak is spoke. Past tense of mold is molded. Past tense of cool is cooled. And past tense of pop is popped. The next one, meet. Past tense of meet is met. M-E-T, met. M-E-T, met. Next one, leave. Past tense of leave is left. L-E-F-T, left. L-E-F-T, left. Shout. Past tense of shout is shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. Blink. Past tense of blink is blinked. B-L-I-N-K-E-D, blinked. B-L-I-N-K-E-D, blinked. Fry. Past tense of fry is fried. F-R-I-E-D, fried. F-R-I-E-D, fried. I repeat, past tense of meet is met, leave, left, shout, shouted, blink, blinked, fry, fried. Now the next question head, give antonyms of. Antonyms means opposites. First one, left. Antonym of left is stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. Grab. Antonym of grab is release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E, release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E, release. Antonym of grab is release. Back off. Antonym of back off is in front of. Antonym of back off is in front of. Next one, end. Antonym of end is start. S-T-A-R-T, start. S-T-A-R-T, start. Sitting. Antonym of sitting is standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. I repeat, antonym of left is stay. Antonym of grab is release. Antonym of back off is in front of. Antonym of end is start. And antonym of sitting is standing. The next one, managed. Antonym of managed is failed. F-A-I-L-E-D, failed. F-A-I-L-E-D, failed. Antonym of louder is softer. S-O-F-T-E-R, softer. S-O-F-T-E-R, softer. Antonym of cool is warm. W-A-R-M, warm. W-A-R-M, warm. Antonym of father is nearer. N-E-A-R-E-R, nearer. N-E-A-R-E-R, nearer. Antonym of next is previous. P-R-E-V-I-O-U-S, previous. P-R-E-V-I-O-U-S, previous. I repeat, antonym of managed is failed. Antonym of louder is softer. Antonym of cool is warm. Antonym of farther is nearer. Antonym of next is previous. Next one, scared. Antonym of scared is confident. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, confident. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, confident. Next, long. Antonym of long is short. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Antonym of fool is wise. W-I-S-E, wise. W-I-S-E, wise. Antonym of pretend is realistic. R-E-A-L-I-S-T-I-C, realistic. R-E-A-L-I-S-T-I-C, realistic. Antonym of continue is discontinue. D-I-S-C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E, discontinue. D-I-S-C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E, discontinue. I repeat, antonym of scared is confident. Antonym of long is short. Antonym of fool is wise. Antonym of pretend is realistic. Antonym of continue is discontinue. Now let us go to the next question head. Who said the following to whom? Where are you rolling? Who said this to whom? Where are you rolling? Yes, the fox asked the donut. The fox asked the donut. Next one. No, you won't, old bandy legs. No, You won't, old bandy legs. Who said this to whom? Yes, the donut said to the bear. The donut said to the bear. Next one. Do sit on my tongue and sing your song. Do sit on my tongue and sing your song. Yes, the fox said to the donut. The fox said to the donut. Next. Oh, what a fine song. Oh, what a fine song. Who said this to whom? Yes, the fox said to the donut. The fox said to the donut. The fox said to the donut. My dear, try and scrape up some flour to make us a donut. My dear, try and scrape up some flour to make us a donut. Who said this to whom? Yes, the old man said to the old woman. The old man said to the old woman. Or you can even write the old man said to his wife. Okay, both are correct. The old man said to the old woman, or you can say the old man said to his wife. Both are correct. I shall mold a donut and fry it in butter. I shall mold a donut and fry it in butter. Who said this? Yes, the old woman said to herself. The old woman said to herself. Number these events in the correct sequence. Children, here we have a few events. As you are thorough with the lesson now, I know that you all will be able to arrange these events in proper sequence. So let us read all the events twice and then we will arrange them in proper sequence. The donut met a wolf. The fox ate the donut. The donut met a hare. The donut met a fox. The donut met a bear. The donut rolled away from the old couple's house. Let us read one more time. The donut met a wolf. The fox ate the donut. The donut met a hare. The donut met a fox. The donut met a bear. The donut rolled away from the old couple's house. Now children, we have to arrange these events in proper sequence. That is, we will number the events as per their sequence. So, which is the first one? Yes, the donut rolled away from the old couple's house. This is the first one. Okay, the donut rolled away from the old couple's house. This is the first event. After this, which one will come? Yes, the donut met a hare. Yes, very good. The donut met a hare. This is second one. Okay. After the donut met a hare, then which will be the next event? Yes, the donut met a wolf. Very good. The donut met a wolf. After that, yes, the donut met a bear. The donut met a bear. After that, what happened? Yes, the donut met a fox. The donut met a fox. And the last event is the fox ate the donut. The fox ate the donut. So the first event is the donut rolled away from the old couple's house. The donut met a hare is the second event. The third event is the donut met a wolf. The fourth one is the donut met a bear. The fifth one is the donut met a fox. And the last event is the fox ate the donut. Children, I hope this part is clear. Okay. So children, with this we come to the end of today's class. In the next class, we will discuss a few more head questions which are there in your textbook. Till then, take care. Bye. Saira.